Hello guys, I hope all of you are doing great and doing well. Today in English lesson we will gonna talk about unit 10 and weather conditions. It is hot today, so if you have the book, open your book to page 74 and then we'll talk about weather condition. First of all, we will do the vocabularies, the types of weathers, and then we will do the reading. Okay guys, this is the two types of weather. In the book we have 6 types of weathers. We have rainy, snowy, windy, hot, cold, and then sunny. So the first one and the second one. The first one is weather. The first types of weather is rainy. Rainy, what is the meaning of rainy? If the weather is rainy, it means the water fall down from the sky. Okay, and then what do we do if the weather is rainy? Do we go to outside? Do we go to the swimming pool? No. So if the weather is rainy, we usually stay at home. We do the activities that we do it at home, not going to the outside. So for example, just write reading a book or drawing, painting, and then we play in the inside. This is the rainy weather, and these are the activities that we do if the weather is rainy. The second type of weathers is windy. So what is the meaning of windy? If the weather is windy, it means too many winds that blowing in the sky. And then what happens when the weather is windy? When the weather is windy, guys, you see the leaves is blowing, and then we have a clouds. But the activities that we do in the windy weather, what do we do in the windy weather? Do we go to the outside? Do we go to the swimming pool? Do we stay inside? Okay, if the weather is windy, we usually flying a kite. Okay, flying a kite, and then wind, we play outside sometimes with our kite. So this is the weather windy. If the weather is windy, these are the activities that we do. So this is rainy and this is windy. Are you all ready to go to the next weather? Let's go. These are next 2 types of the weather, hot and cold. Hot, you see that if the weather is hot, it means the air temperature is too high. So we're sweating and then it's too hot. You see, this is the girl and this is the sun that is shining too brightly, and the air temperature is too high. What do we do if the weather is hot? What are the activity? Okay, if the weather is hot, do we wear a raincoat? No. Do we use an umbrella? No again. So what do? We go to the swimming pool, we stay ourselves cool. Okay, we drink a cold drinks, for example, like lemonade, and we don't drink a coffee, we don't drink a hot chocolate, we just a lemonade and the strawberry juice, orange juice. These are the drinks that stay ourselves as a cold, okay, cool. And if the weather is hot, the next weather is cold. In which season the weather is cold? In the summer? No. In the winter. Usually in the winter weather, the weather is cold. Okay, the weather is cold. What is the cold? Meaning cold in the weather. If it is the weather is cold, it means the air temperature is too low, and sometimes it is freezing or snowing, raining if the weather is cold. What do we do if the weather is cold? We go to the swimming? No. We go to what? So we stay ourselves warm, and by what? We wearing a raincoat, a coat. You see this boy? A hat, and then a scarves, a gloves. These are the clothes that we do if the weather is cold. And we stay ourselves warm by drinking hot drinks like milk, like hot chocolate, like tea, like coffee. These are the things that we drink if the weather is cold, so that stay ourselves warm. So this is the weather is hot, and this one is cold. You ready to go to the next one? Let us go to the last two weather. This weather that you liked so much. Snowy weather. Snowy, it means the snow falling down from the sky. So what do we do if the weather is snowy? Guys, if the weather is snowy, we make and we build a snowman. What else? Oh, we fight snowballs. We stay ourselves warm. This is snowy weather. This is a snowman, and this is the snow that is falling from the sky. And the next one, you also like it. It is sunny. What do we do if the weather is sunny? So the weather is sunny. It means the sun is shining brightly from the sky, in the sky, and then we go to the swimming. We play outside. We do a football, basketball, riding a bike, and we play outside, not inside. It is the opposite of the rainy weather. So this is sunny, snowy, and let's just review it, and then we will go to this is rainy, windy, hot, cold, snowy, and sunny. Guys, these are the 6 types of weathers. Now we have a worksheet, and this is we match the words, the types of the weathers to the pictures. This is what? Sunny. So this is sunny. Which types of weather is sunny? Which pictures is sunny? This is sunny. Cloudy. It means too many clouds in the sky, and cloudy weather is like this is cloudy. This is a cloudy. Stormy. We have thunder and lightning if the weather is stormy. This is stormy. Snowy. We said that snowy, it means the snow fall down from the sky. So snowy. This is snowy, guys. The next one is snowy. So snowy weather is this one is snowy. Rainy, it means again the water falls down from the sky. It is rainy weather. Where is rainy? This is rainy. So go to the rain. So guys, this is the weathers. Now, are you ready to go to the next part of our lesson? Is okay guys, now we will go to the second part of our lesson. This is the reading, and the book is on page 74. So page 74, guys. you open your book to this page and then you will read this conversation part. We have 5 characters in this reading, okay? Billy, Rosie, Tim, and their grandmother and grandfather. They talk about the weather. They want to go to outside, but the weather changes. And let's see how the weather changes when they go to the outside. From the picture 1, okay, the grandma say, let's walk to the shop. Go to where? To the shop, okay? And the grandma say, what is the weather like? Okay, if we go to the shop, we should know what is the weather like. It is raining, it is snowy, it is sunny. How is the weather? But Tim says that it is sunny. Now the weather is good for going to outside. If the weather is sunny, it is good to go to outside, to go to the shop, to go to the picnic, to go to any place that you want. Now they say, okay, we go to the shop because the weather is sunny. In picture number 2, Billy want to put a coat, and Tim want to put a hat, a sun hat. But grandma say, don't put on your coat, Billy. Okay, it is hot today. Guys, you know that if the weather is hot, we don't wear a coat. So Billy, okay, don't put on your coat. He take off his coat. Why? Because the weather is what? The weather is sunny and it is hot. Okay? Children, put on your sun hat, please. Why sun hat? Because again, it is sunny weather. Okay, and if it's sunny, we put a sun hat. Okay, your sun hat, and then it is hot. In picture number 3, the weather, when they go to outside, the weather changes. Let's see how is the weather. Okay, the grandma say, oh no, it is windy. The first one, it is sunny. So it changes to what? It changes to windy. So if the weather is windy, it means the wind is blowing. And what about Tim? Tim say, my hat. Their hat is go away because of wind. So the grandma say, catch it, Tim, your hat. Picture number 4. And then the weather is again changes. Okay, from windy to, oh no, now it is raining. Now it is what? Raining. So the weather changes from sunny to windy, then to rainy. Okay, oh no, now it is raining and we haven't got our umbrellas. Let's go home. You know that if the weather is rainy, we need an umbrella. Don't wet our clothes, so they forget the umbrella, so they all be wet. And look at the belly, look at Tim. They wear a jacket, and Rosie is, look at the rains, and they are all sad because they don't go to the shop and the weather changes. Now let's go to the picture number 5. Quick, Grandpa, open the door, please. Again, the next issue is they forget a key. So where is the key? Oh no, I haven't got the key. They forget the key, they forget the umbrella, so they all wet. They go to the home, you see, they all wet because of rain. Now guys, this is the conversations part and the reading part. They talk about Rosie, Billy, and Tim. So they don't go to the shop because the weather changes from sunny to windy, then to the rain. Okay, what are, if you look at the book, what are the types of weather you see? Sunny, if you put on a circle, please guys, and then windy, and then we have hot, and then we have rainy. So highlight it or circle it, this weathers, and you read it and send the videos for me. You read the weathers. Now guys, this is the this is the end of today's English lesson. Thanks for listening. Love all of you, and I hope all of you have a good day and doing great. Bye bye. See you in the next